Namaste सभी को. So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is seventh chapter of class 6 NCERT books, and this is unity in diversity or many in one. Unity in diversity or many in one. So today I'm telling you this is going to be a most important and interesting chapter of your topic, because in this chapter all these things are based on your observation, your surroundings, and it's about India, it's about India's people, culture, society, clothes, dressing sense. It's all about. So let's start this topic today. In this class today we are going to start uh, main 4 points that is already mentioned in your NCERT textbook, and all these points are: this contains a rich diversity, a rich diversity. Point second, food for all. Third is textile, textile and clothing and clothing. Fourth is festivals, festivals galore, festivals galore. Fifth one and the last one is an epic spread, an epic spread. So today in this class we are going to discuss all these things, and I sometime I used to switch off the fans. So today is I feeling very sweaty. That's why मुझे पसीना आ रहा है, बार बार हाथ उठाना पड़ता है. So all this thing we are going to start and discuss today. Rich diversity. In this chapter, Aravind Ghosh and Rabindranath Tagore started with two quotation that mean it's tale about India's diversity in a single nation. And along with this, the chapter start with the three basic questions: what is the India's unity in diversity, and what is the uh, unity in diversity means, and how it's contain all the inhabited people from the decades and period of time that is much more uh, civilized society from the early to nowadays. And in this chapter, we are going to start today a rich diversity. What is rich diversity? Uh, People in India staying among northeast, west, and south area, and this is the space after 1947. But before that, India have a huge territory, subordinate all this territory like Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Tibet, and Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar. All this comes at that time under Indian territory. But after that 1947, a rich diversity, people got separated, but all these cultural people already started to stay in this India, present India, before the partition happened. And after that, a rich people diversity, it means the people from the different culture with the different taste of food, with different taste of dresses sense, and the all these things are learned from its society and culture and early times. Food for all. Next point is food for all. What is food for all? I would like to say in our India there are lots of place, and all these things are named with different, but the taste are same. Historian R.S. Singh have told that in your text that India is a so different in nature, like its culture, that it is very difficult to taste it. And food for all, you know that many things in our India that is like in the January in Bengal they have a festival that in first time rice in their cultivation field grown, and they celebrate a festival that is Poila Boishak. Before or after that, there is a many another that all the surrounding India, these type of festivals are differently named. like Magh Bihu in Assam and Lohri in Haryana, Pongal, Tamil Nadu. All these things are same, but it's named in different culture and differently. All these things name that means the first rice of year, which comes from cultivation land to its owner house through farming. And people of India are celebrating these festivals with a different name. And all this uh, culture, separate culture, have a different symbol to wish to pray for this event. Then a textile. What is textile? We know that there are a different type of dressing sense in India. Some people would like to wear dhoti, sari. It's very famous in India. And this type of saris are sometimes it's cotton and it's silk, and all these saris are not only in Bengal or in North India, but also in South India. Very famous saris are there, like Kanjivaram and the Banarasi of Uttarakhand. Sorry, Banarasi of Uttar Pradesh is very much famous. And also in Assam and the other part of India and western part of Gujarat, and they have also different sari, and that is are also be very interesting that you should know. And all these things I would like to write it on the board. You should write it down. Okay, like Banarasi in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh. Then Kanjivaram, you may write Kanjivaram, Kanjivaram. Okay, Kanjivaram, Kanjivaram in Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. And or there is another one also. It's Pai Paithani is also famous in Maharashtra. Maharashtra also Paithani, and there is another Patan Patola, Patan Patan Patola, Patola in Gujarat. Okay, Patola in Gujarat, and in Assam, Munga sari is famous. And I would like to share you one information that I am this making this video. It's from Assam also. This is the place of Assam Lamding. So that is very much interesting, and I am placed very much honored that I am giving this lecture in the land of Assam. All these things you should write in your copy because this is a very much important things. I should tell you. And another one is the textile. This is related to textile and clothing. All this paper not only use the textile as a dress sense, but it also denote their cultural heritage and how the people living all from the early time to nowadays. Especially in the northern area like Uttarakhand, they also use athar. They use athar. This is a type of a dhoti, and athar is a type of a topi they wear in their festivals also. And along with this, there is a festivals that is festivals and galore. What is festivals and galore? It is also important thing we need to know. Uh, Festivals and galore. Festivals and galore. It means these all type of festivals are related to a particular region with a different name that have a famous concern with the people, with the culture throughout the not only India, outside of India also. So in this area, I would like to share one thing that is very much important. It is the name of the festivals in January celebrated across the India. You may write it down. Festivals, okay? Festivals, festivals. One is Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti, Sankranti, okay? Makar Sankranti, and it is Makar Sankranti in Maharashtra. Makar Sankranti in Maharashtra, and Magh Bihu, it is in Assam, in Assam. Then post Sankranti, post Sankranti. Okay, post Sankranti is in Bengal, in West Bengal, and another third one is Pongal, is a food festival also. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. This thing should be written uh, for your subject concern, because these things are not mentioned in your textbook. It's skipped. And also Lohori. Lohori is a festival of Haryana. Haryana, specially. Okay. All these things should be written in your note. So let's start with the different thing. What is the festivals of Galore? Festival of Galore, I have told you already. This is the thing that people are very much attached and celebrate with each other uh, over the year. Uh, and another one is what is an epic spread? In our famous epic like Mahabharata and Ramayana, it is mentioned that this is very fantastic. To explain a textbook that is more than 2200 years ago from the BCE. So it's all this thing mentioned the not only Indian culture and society, but it's also told that in this text, Panchapandav, about them it's mentioned that Panchapandav is a uh, not only symbol of bond, but also they spread throughout India, and they have already interact with the different caste throughout their journey in their entire life. That's mentioned the inclusion of India. The unity and the inclusion are also the part of the Indian society civilization that is followed by rest of the world. Not only this, along with the Panchatantra, that is considered the most famous and ancient book worldwide, and lots of things are related to their character and its animal with a moral story that is bring our life a very knowledgeable and skillful way to teach us about the um, life's goal and its act of process. So this all these things are very much important. I hope this video is liked by you, and hope it will help you to understand your this chapter. Thank you. Namaste.